Hi everyone. So today you can see what we have in our house is the Mercedes S-Class, and this is one of the very interesting project that we will be doing. So yesterday we delivered this customer's Bentley, and you will see that project coming soon. And while the Bentley got delivered, we got this new project to work on. That's what we like, that when the customer likes the work and they appreciate by giving us the additional work. So this is the new car what he has sent us, and this is a Mercedes-Benz S-Class, extremely comfortable, but still the customer, the car enthusiast guys, they want to do something or the other because they want to drive something different. So now what are we gonna do is gonna be really different thing, because we will be converting this S-Class to AMG, and that will involve a lot of changes. So the front portion, the entire grille will be replaced with AMG grille. Even the bumper will be replaced with the AMG bumper. Headlights, once again, even headlights will have to be changed. So these are the front changes that we will be doing in this car. Apart from that, there are changes at the rear side of this car. Let me show you even that as well. So at the rear, even the rear bumper will get changed. The rear bumper of AMG will come with two diffusers, so even that has to be done. The tail light, you can see, this is the existing tail light. Even the tail light will have to be replaced. So these are the things that we will be changing in this car to facelift it to the AMG model. And we are still in discussion whether we should upgrade the alloys or even the tires. So that's still under discussion, but we'll decide as and when the project progresses. So guys, these kind of premium cars, it's very important that whatever you install it from the right people. Whatever you paint, you please ensure that it's painted in paint booth using at least Glasurit or Standox German material, because the life of those quality products is much higher and you would want to retain such premium cars for longer duration. So stay tuned guys, this is once again gonna be very interesting project, and we will try to cover this project while we are working on it, and we'll show you once it's done. So thank you once again. Thank you guys. Hi everyone. So now you can see the car is completely ready, and as you can see, this was a regular S-Class to which we have converted to AMG S-Class. So the things that we have changed is the front show grille, the front bumper and the headlights, and you can see there's a DRL also in that. So now the look is completely different guys, just with the small change of the AMG kit. You can see the S-Class is looking very different now, and believe me, when you will see this car in person, you will definitely like it for sure, because when you will compare it with the before look and this, there's a huge difference, and the changes that we have done is only a body kit. So these kind of options are available for all the premium cars. We are going to work on that S-Class as well, which we'll be converting to Maybach. So after this, that S-Class with a dual tone paint, one more S-Class again in Maybach. So stay tuned, lot of interesting projects are coming at Autorondus. Along with that, if you can see, even the alloy wheels has been changed to AMG alloy wheels to match with the entire look. So front, bumper, grille, headlight and the alloys, these are the things that we have changed. Let me also show you what are the things that we have changed at the rear. So at the rear also, you can see we have changed the rear bumper, and even the tail lights are different now. It comes with DRL and LED both. The bumper comes with diffuser, all these chrome, also these exhaust with AMG written on it. You have to be very careful that the existing sensors are installed properly, because front and rear both has sensors. As I said, the car kit was painted in Glasso Red, made in Germany, and in our company paint booth. Along with that, we have done the full car polishing also. So guys, if you have any such premium cars and you're bored with the existing looks, do call us on 7666 930 930 for Mumbai and 7666 830 830 for Hyderabad. And in case you are looking for any such change, you can just WhatsApp us with your car pictures and we'll get back to you what are the options available. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video.